Look, you okay now? You're not fussing. Yep. You okay now? You okay? Oh boy.
Fourth wind.
Here it comes. Okay. Okay. Happy again? Alright, we're happy again. Ready to put him down?
Yeah.
Let's see. You still happy? You still happy? Come. Come. Yeah. Yeah. What am I gonna do with him? Yeah, you happy again? You happy again? Yeah?
What?
Hi. Oh, are you gonna spit up? You gonna spit up? All right. Ready to stand up? Ready? Ready? Yeah. And Tarina's so lucky I just caught this drool. God. This is not for you. Look at him with it.
Zayden.
Zayden, you're giving me a headache. Let's keep the decibel levels down. Okay, okay. I've had enough. I'm done.